Cool Kicks YouTube channel back out in Torrance. Mid-week visit. Haven't been out here in a minute. 20% off the back wall. Starting off with some LeBron next gens. Go for way too much. 170? Really? Shout out to the homie Andrew, who I did see. Jordan 7, 210 for these. These are size 11. Everything else size 10. 200 for these. No discounts. Got some Bo Jacksons right here, down to 80. So there are a few deals here and there. Got some Dunks. 115 for these. Pretty clean colorway. I'm not the biggest fan of these regular Dunks, but clean colorway. Be able to get 20% off. That is pretty fire. Got some Blazers right here. The Sakai Blazers go for 110. Still in the size 10. Got some Jordan 1 lows. Shadow colorway. These are dope though. These are dope. A little more narrow than most Jordan 1 lows, but yeah, man. 140. These are size 12. You got a refurb. Is it 150 or is it 90? No. GT jumps right here. 90, 20 out. That's not too bad. These bad boys right here. Been finding these for hella cheap once in a while. $160 for those. That's a surprise right there. 130 for these. That's definitely the most expensive we've seen these. I guess people have been buying them here for regular price. That's what that means. Size 9. These also 130 for these as well. Been seeing these for 60 at a lot of spots. Guess we're moving on to the size 9s, I guess. Air Force 1 highs go for 100. GT Hustle 2s, $180. The outsole color is just tripping me out. That is crazy. That really hits. Holy cow. Okay, 180 for these. I was like, what are these? What? Oh no, whatever, dude. 130 for those. They're even doing a restock right there. I did check. The employee saw me eyeing it. He's like, nah, it's just refills on the aisles, nothing big. I was talking to Andrew, like, they knew we was eyeing it. They knew we was eyeing to see if there's anything dope in there. Interesting color right here, 210. These are size 8. LeBron 21s. Not the biggest fan of these. These definitely stick out. Definitely something different. You should get 20% off retail, and you get the full box, which is cool. Other size 8 right here. Luca's going for 130. Been seeing these on sale at the retail shop, so come on now. Size 7, finally see a really good deal. $81 for those. 160 size 6 for these. That's just still way too much. The Zoom Freak 5s, size 5 going for 100. Man, can't take those every try. At least I got Jordan retros on sale. We'll get to those. Let's go check out some of the bigger size first. Size 11 Jordan 6 golf right there. Go for 220. Blazers, these are 10.5 right here. 55 for these. I'm seeing these bad boys right here. 135 size 11. 270s right here. 120. 38s right here. 2 bills for these. See, I swear that was weird because at the retail stores they would label these as LeBron 7s. These are the LeBron 8s, dude. These are the LeBron 8s. I thought they were being mislabeled, and they are, man. They are. But LeBron 8s, these we get 20% off, 110. We've been seeing these on sale at the retail stores, though. Size 12, finally see something more interesting. Jordan 1 lows right here. These are the OGs. 12.5 too. 12.5. No full box. But yeah, University Red. 140, 20 off. Regular Blazers, 100. 10.5 right here. 10. Sakai Blazers down here. 11.5. Going for $110. Jordan 1 women's right here. Women's 11.5 size 9 men's. 155 for these. I don't recognize this colorway. Kind of crazy. Ooh, leather is hella soft. Hella soft and hella thin. Super thin. It is an SE, it looks like. Or is it a high? Oh, it is a high. My bad. High. $155. Not much in the 13s, 14s right here. Jordan 1 low. Not much in the 13s. Got 14s right here. Jordan 1 high golf right here. $100. Extended size pricing. You can tell with the gray tag on it. Size 13 extended sized priced as well. Metcon 8's going for $90. I guess this 89 size 13 right here. Some suede go for 100. Looks like certain things are extended size price, not everything. 90 for, or 70 for the Jumpman 2021s right here. Also got the BRSBs going for 60, but see, look, this is not extended size price. The John Morans go for 110. Immortalities go for 50, but not extended size price, just clearance price. And size 15 is nothing really. Do got these right here. These are size 11 and a half though, but that's about it, man. No huge dubs today, nothing too crazy. Checking out the clearance apparel, no big discounts, no extra discounts. 40 for these right here, 41. These are small. Is this tech fleece right here? I think this is tech fleece going for 90. That's pretty decent. It is a triple XL though. ACG gear right here. ACG always hella premium on the price. Look at this, 500 down to 400. Holy crap. Another small right here. I'm in the medium section, but dude got these going for 75. I have no clue what that is. Nike running going for $78. Heavy duty hoodie right here. I think that's the one that I have. 100 down to $70. Dang, there's 70 bucks for this? Dang. I'm so glad I find my stuff on sale, because $70 for a hoodie, that's a pretty penny, dude. But 105 for this one. So like a denim jacket. It is Jordan brand. Normally 150, 105. Tech fleece right here. It says large. It is a small. 135. Last week, the clearance section had 0% off. This week, 20% off. I don't think they're getting that much merch. I don't think they're getting that much stuff. Their prices definitely depends on how much new stuff they get, because everything here is about moving stuff when they get too much stuff, and then if they don't have too much stuff, it's about what's the point of giving stuff away, you know? It's about inventory management. $80 for this tech fleece pants right here. This looks really long. Yeah, 3XL for tall as well. Tech fleece, also with that crater material, that recycled material. 85 down to 60. This is a small. $130 for these. Damn, just no discounts, doggies. No discounts at all. They got fleece right here, 80 down to 50. They got some discounts, but just not much. Ooh, there you go. 45 down to 25. This is not bad. This one's not bad. Dang, dude, 45 down to 35. Kind of need one. All right, we're gonna see what's going on in the aisles. And we did see the Jordans, so let's see what's up with the Jordans. Got Jordan 2s right here up to size 10. Jordan 7 white infrareds. Yeah, not too many of these, up to size 12. Full force lows right here. Light mids. Air more of tempos. Air Max 2017s. Do got the Zoom Freaks, get 20% off. Gray and white, one of the better colorways of these. Witness 7s, that might be one of the cheapest we've seen it, because that's what, $40 after a discount. $80 for these. And I've talked about it, 97 means clearance, so even if it doesn't have a 20% off tag right here, there's a sale on the back wall, you do get that discount off of these items. Do got some Trey 5.9s, always got plenty of those. Also always have plenty of Immortalities. These are the 2nd gen right here. Got plenty of Blazers. Team Red right here. Extra 20 off. Got some Game Royals right here. Get that 20 off as well. Picante Red. SB Heritage Volks. Alley-oops right here. And these are Nike SBs. Westbrook Take 1s. And then plenty of Team Jordans. Lately, we've been seeing a ton of these at the outlets lately. And then plenty of running shoes. Running shoe selection has not been that great lately. Metcons right here. Metcon 8s, free Metcon 4s right there. Those aren't bad. All right, let's see what's going on with the women's section over here. I've mentioned I will pick up Jordans as well as Nikes in the women's section. Someone said it's like way too narrow. I don't know. I've never heard of anybody complaining about Jordans being too narrow when they're women's silhouettes. And I haven't really had that issue. I'm gonna be honest. I really haven't had that issue. Maybe it's a certain silhouette. I don't know. I've have plenty of running shoes that are women's. I haven't seen any difference. I know certain shoes, especially with the Pegasus, like the PSIs are different and stuff. But I don't know. I haven't really noticed anything with the width. And I do have wide feet. But I do have Jordan 1s right here. Size 10 women's, go for 110. Look at this. Look at that. Roshi one's going for $30. Get that 20 off as well. Sabrina, size 12 and a half, 11 men's. 130 though, too much. Got some extended size pricing in some of the bigger women's shoes right there. $90 for those. 100 for the Wild Horse right here. Gotta see what these are going for. Are they heavily marked? No, they're not marked at all. It's size 11, retail 180. Some more regular sizes for women. Look at this. Size 9 women, 7.5 youth, or 7.5 men's, right? Look at this, heavily discounted. $89.97. Way less than $100. Way less than $100 at 20% off. Holy cow. So even when they ain't steals, they still got steals, man. No, that's crazy. That's crazy. That brings that down to what, $72 or something? Wow. And Dunk Lows right here. These look like they're an SE. No, they're not an SE, but okay. That's some sort of textured leather. Oh, I thought it was like suede or something. No, not really. Interesting lining. Okay, it was just a regular Dunk. $125. Did get that extra discount. And they got some refurbs right here. I thought it was refurb. It's just a recycled box right there. Got some Jordan 1 lows right here. Some decent material. These are SC 120 for these size 9s. Pegasus Turbo Next Nature is going for $70. Get that extra 20 off. 7.5 women, size 6 youth, $125. These are a twist, so it does have the plastic on the toe cap right there, and it also has plastic on the back and the Nike sitting right there. Okay, $125 for these. Air Force One mules right here. Oh, this is still women's. My bad. I thought this was kids. But yeah, $80 for these. Invincible Run Flyknits, $180 still. Dang it. Oh no, these Dunks right here, size 12 and a half, 11 men's. These got 3M on it. Yeah. Damn, these are actually pretty dope. Pretty dope. They remind me of the Fearless ones. Now in the kids section right here, dude got Jordan 1 mids going for $120. And look at this. Look at this. That is pretty decent. Man, second time seeing these out, but this is a grade school 5.5. What is that? Size 7 women's? Size 7 women's. Got Forces right here. Does this have 3M on it? $90 for those. Those are size 5. Grade school starts right there. Only goes to like right here. Not too much going on. Oh snap, I almost forgot these right here. Do got them full box, $145. The Billie Eilish right here. I think I called them Billy Elliott's in one of my videos recently. Billie Eilish with the Gangsta Lean right there. Oh, you get an extra 20 off too? You get an extra 20 off. Got up to size 12 right here, 8.5 all the way to size 12. Missing a couple sizes here and there though. Yeah, and then the running shoes, just Pegasuses. Not too exciting. All right, kind of a shorter video because I gotta get the hell out of here. I have appointments. I need to go take my parents somewhere, kind of to go look at cars and stuff like that. They need to buy a car. I need to buy a car. But yeah, I think my sister's gonna go halves on my parents' car because I bought my dad a car earlier already. But yeah, I do got Jordan hoodies, 30% off, so $60. Do get 30% off, $42 for those. And then these, you do get 20% off for the bottoms right here. That's not bad. Oh wait, no, you don't get 20% off because there's no sale on apparel right now. So $35 for those pants right there. Do got $30 sweats right here in brown. And these ain't bad, dude. But yeah, no, I'm good. I'm good right now. I don't really need too much apparel. $45 right here. I don't have that many sweats, but how often do I really wear sweats? It's literally cold enough here to wear sweats like 2 months out the year. So that's all good. $90 for tech fleece right here. More bottoms only deals right here. The name of my feature bar, $30. $30 right here as well. And what the hell is this? Do got sweatshirts, 40% off. 45 for those bad boys right there. 45 for these as well. That's ThermaFit. And then I did forget to show you guys what I am wearing. I'm wearing pumps. Wearing freaking Reeboks to a Nike outlet. How disrespectful. But wearing some Omnis right here. Niners colorway. Man, I freaking love these. And then wearing a Niners t-shirt. I did wear this to work. Someone was like, are you allowed to wear graphic tees? I was like, hey man, what you asking questions for, dog? What you asking questions? But I am wearing some Niners gear. Dude, that game was insane. Game was freaking insane. Holy cow. Man. And I already had so many of you guys talking trash to me. Did the Niners win it or did Detroit blow it? Kind of want to say it's a little bit of both. You know, Niners did have a great second half. Detroit, man, Reynolds dropped 2 rocks. He dropped 2 balls. Are you effing serious? That was just insane. 30% off these shorts right here. These running shorts? I think they're running shorts. They don't have ball catchers inside. No, they don't. But yeah, $30, 30% off. So that's what, 21? It says jackets only, but oh yeah, these are jackets. My bad. My bad. I thought that was hoodies, but they have fleece jackets right here. $55, you get another 20 off. So 40 something. More slacks right here. Pants only. I kind of like bottoms only better. But yeah, dude, $45 for both of these. You get 40% off. Pretty good value. Got tees off right here. A lot of their running merch right here. Do got dry fit running tees. What are these? $30? I can't tell, man. Yeah, $30. Get another 30 off. Got running stuff right here. This is Torrance, so I can see there being a lot of yoga gear as well as running gear. But yeah, these are going for $60 right here. And then running sweats or yeah, they're not really sweats. I don't know what the hell this material is. But yeah, $45 for these. Also got other running stuff. I think that's about it, man. I think we're gonna wrap things up. Hopefully this video is long enough. Hopefully this goes well. I'm gonna have to take my parents. It's late, but I think the car dealership ends at 9. So we're gonna wrap things up. But yeah, make sure you help your boy. Make sure you press that like button if you're new. Subscribe. And I'm out, man. I'm out. Got plenty more stuff to do. See you guys in the next one, man. Out in Torrance, actually, I think technically it's Harbor Gateway. Cheapest gas I have seen, I think in over 2 years. $3.99 under $4. People in California are like, what? And people out in the rest of the US are like, what the f? That's the current gas price. This is the cheapest spot I've seen in 2 years. That's California, guys.